My video guide will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Quick Pro. This particular extension is spread through fake browser update alerts that attack Google Chrome browser. These fake alerts tell that customers need to download and install certain browser extension for the Google Chrome browser. But in reality, it's a fake alert. Sometimes it is presented as some mandatory browser update, but all these messages are absolutely faulty. You should not install any extensions like that because they are not related to the Google Chrome official release. The extension called Quick Pro may change a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission. So I'm installing this extension in order to demonstrate to you what happens after it gets installed. So when you start submitting some search queries, you might soon realize that the results are delivered by Bing.com or sometimes by other search engine. No matter what search queries you submit, you still get the results by some unwanted search provider. So, to fix these browser redirection issues, you should definitely get rid of the unwanted Chrome extensions by going to the menu, go to More Tools, select Extensions. In case you find this Quick Pro extension, simply deactivate it and then remove the extension completely. Basically, this should fix the issue. However, my strong recommendation is that you also research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green download button, install the software, and start investigating your system to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.